gonna feel so fucking glamorous. Like,
With
pick the worst day. Get the shots there, doggy.
very nice.
I think so.
Yeah, just hold it there.
You need some help?
Rightio, J-rad.
I hate why I buy this fucking thing. All my motor always went into the bloody.
It wouldn't have mattered if you bumped it just going slow, like.
Yeah. Everything's just so scary when you do it on a fiberglass boat because you're like,
Yeah. Oh, you get the hang of it. Might better just pick him up on the bow or something. Oh,
that was smoother. We did alright there.
Gonna be crossed up there, Tiny.
Yeah, I did. I was turning the wrong way. I was like, fuck.
Forward, reverse.
Started stressing. No.
Oh, it's bad. Someone help!
Jared, get out of the car.
Catch the nose. It's supposed to be fun.
This is meant to be an enjoyable day out with the boys. This is what happened last time. The second day we took it out, got a flat battery at the boat ramp. All right,
That's it.
that's it.
Now we go get some fish.
No dramas.
Zoom in.
Get his little pecker. Any sharks on this spot, Jared? Love sharks.
Good ones.
This is where that big tiger lives, isn't it? That big 4 metre tiger.
You want to go to this Spangled Emperor, Mark? That's a go, eh?
Big spangos.
Ooh, giant Spangos.
They actually use whole spangos in shallows there. Just like circling up.
Ah, sick.
So worst case we'll go.
Like in on the back of the reef.
Yeah.
With
Pick the worst day.
How do you...
Yeah, boys.
yeah, boy. How'd you get in? You're so quick. Tom's still got his towel on. I don't want to get in there, man.
Just hoping I've forgotten something.
Oh, no goggles. No goggles. Fish is priority. I'll take you to my spot next. About 3 metres inside the lagoon, you'll love it.
Coming onto it now. Yeah, you went 12 to 15, didn't you?
Yeah, it's like a reverse ledge. It's real weird, eh? You see the bottom? It's good.
I'm eating chicken. Gotta get that protein. Getting there, fading away.
Oh my god.
Gonna be a perfect little eating Mackie, isn't it?
Yeah, I reckon the dogs are
You reckon, doggo?
Oh, I try and sniff in the barn. They got like beautiful blue specks on them. Spango. Oh wow. We get filleted. Good slab.
You doing it right, Jared?
Yeah, spot on. Semi.
Oh, what's he got in his mouth?
Oh!
What's he been eating, Tommy?
Oh, what? Chicken of the sea.
Chicken wing.
The chicken of
You
the
want to
sea.
finish it off?
You already ate a set of jaws the other night.
Oh no.
Dried ones, eh?
What type?
Macaroonies. Don't mind fillet in mac, it's pretty easy, eh?
Yeah, well.
Soy sauce and wasabi would be the go, eh?
Yeah. Wait.
Alright. There's some good sashimi stuff here, eh?
The funny thing is, I've always like just so weird about sashimi after that mass
tuna.
poisoning of the tuna back in the day.
Mass poisoning.
Yeah, I mean, there was like 6 of us
Oh no.
that got food poisoning.
How old was the tuna?
Like this.
Oh,
It was like fresh. That bad.
What sort of tuna was it?
I'll give
It's
it.
a skipjack.
Skipjack.
One that you don't know.
Which I doubt it.
People, so.
Pork cod.
Good?
Slimy.
It's actually a good.
Is it not too bad?
No, you can't even taste the fish.
Bloody good Spanish mackerel, eh? Danny, how are we going to feed this to you, mate? For a long time. Hey.
You go for it.
A reminder to give it a stir. Right, minute, more water, stir. Alright.
About doing some Asian Thai tacos. Start off with peeling some ginger for our marinade for the fish. So basically just cut the ginger into thin strips, or a julienne cut. And vinegar, just add that acidity. Soy sauce, fair bunch because that is the starter off with some oil, just to kind of bring it all together. Just let them kind of sit in those juices. So next we're going to move on to the Namjin sauce, which is basically the main sort of dressing to the tacos. Roughly chop some mint, coriander, 3/4 of a chili, some juice from some limes. Give it a second. So this will be our pickled cabbage salad, and this will just go on top of the tacos. So this is our pickled cabbage. As you can see, the pickling juice has actually given it a nice pinky colour. Just gluten-free tortillas.
Bye. Hey, bye. Bye.
Dig in.
Well done.
Yay!
Have the rest of the night off.
Good, Dad?
Got an
So
entire
good.
chef thing.
So good.
Gotta
The
put on
fish
the
is
show.
immaculate.
Dad, to finish off the app, can you say that's all champion?
That'll be all.
That'll be all champion.
Go on.
That'll be all, champion.
3 or 4 people.
I'm retiring from the
Have you
lens.
got it set to auto?
Yeah. I'm retired from the lens. T-Bone's taken over.
Say hi.
I have great ideas.
Say hi.
Sauce.
What's your ideas?
Just to hold this and you edit it into something good.